Hello everyone, welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. Let us understand today preparation of ledger account in the books of hire purchaser. In the previous video, we have understood journal entries and calculation of cash price, interest and installment. If you have not watched, kindly watch the videos to get a clear idea. Now let us discuss the question. On April 1st, 2018, Miss Manasa purchased a washing machine from Niharika Enterprise on hire purchase basis. The cash price of the machine was rupees 50,000, payable rupees 10,000 on signing the agreement, and the balance in 4 annual installment of rupees 10,000 plus interest at 5% per annum, payable on 31st March each year. Miss Manasa writes off depreciation at 10% per annum on diminishing value of the machine. Show the necessary ledger accounts in the books of Miss Manasa. So here totally we are preparing the 4 ledger accounts in the books of Manasa. The first one is washing machine account. Washing machine account. Then the hire vendor, that is Niharika Enterprise account. Enterprise account. Interest account. And depreciation account. Now, Manasa is a hire purchaser. She purchased, the cash price is given. Washing machine cash price is 50,000, and they paid a 10,000 rupees at the time of signing the agreement, that is down payment. The down payment is rupees 10,000, and the balance they are paying in 4 annual installments. The balance is how much? 40,000. 40,000 divided by 4, if we do 10,000, we are getting. So the 10,000 whatever they are given, it is the purely principal amount. So that's why they are given plus interest. So here we need to calculate interest and the depreciation. The rate of interest is at 5% and depreciation is at 10%. Now to ascertain this interest, we will prepare the memorandum of Niharika Enterprises account, ledger account, to ascertain the interest amount. Now first, Niharika Enterprises is the owner of washing machine. She is selling the washing machine, right, on installment, means credit basis. So the first entry we are passing for the cash price, the total amount. The entry is washing machine account data to Niharika Enterprises account, because we are preparing in the books of Manasa, right? Manasa is purchasing washing machine. So washing machine we are debiting, and on credit basis the supplier Niharika we are crediting. Now Niharika Enterprises account we are crediting. So the amount I am writing credit side. This amount she will receive for selling the washing machine by washing machine account. Washing machine account. If you have not watched basic videos for the preparation of ledger accounts, kindly watch that video also for more understanding. Then the first entry we have shown, right? The next entry is she is ready to sell this machine, and while signing the agreement, she received rupees 10,000 as a down payment. What is the entry for down payment? Debit the receiver. So Niharika Enterprises account data to bank account. Niharika Enterprises account, we debit side receiving the amount of rupees 10,000 from bank to bank account. This is the down payment amount. So when she received this amount on 1/4/2018, right? 1/4/2018. Here also the date is same. And for the first year, they are receiving the installment amount every year end. So year end means 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019. First we'll pass entry for the interest, because our installment we need to pay with interest. So we need to know first what is the interest amount. For Niharika Enterprises, interest is an income. So Niharika Enterprises account data to interest account, right? So Niharika Enterprises account data to interest account. And here we are preparing in the books of Manasa. Manasa is paying interest. For Manasa, interest is an expense. Interest account debtor to whom she is paying? Niharika Enterprises account. Right? We are crediting Niharika Enterprises account in the books of Manasa. So Niharika Enterprises account credit side amount, the interest amount is, what is the balance amount? Remaining is 40,000. The rate of interest is 5%. On 40,000, 5% is 2,000. This 2,000 came in the form of interest by interest account. I'll repeat. In the books of Manasa we are recording. For Manasa, interest is an expense. The entry for the payment of interest is interest account debtor to Niharika Enterprises account. Niharika Enterprises account credit side 2,000 and she received this 2,000 for the interest by interest account. Now we are making down payment, right? For down payment, receiving entry is Niharika Enterprises account debtor to bank account. To bank account. What is the amount of installment? 10,000 each installment plus 2,000 rupees interest. Total 12,000. Total 12,000. Now, which side is credit side is higher, right? Total is 52,000. So, we are balancing the debit for this year end 31st March 2019 to balance carry down. To balance carry down 10 plus 12 22. 22 minus 52 balance is 30,000. Total 52,000. Now whatever we have carried down here, first we are brought downing for the next year. On 31st April 2019, by balance brought down 30,000. Again for the second year, we are paying interest on 31st March 2020 by interest account. Now out of 40 we paid 10,000. Remaining balance is 30. On the balance of the principal amount we are calculating interest into 5% is 1,500. And here only down payment we are paying on 31st March 2020 to bank account 10,000 is installment plus interest 1,500, total 11,500. Right. What is the total? The total is 31,500. Here balance is on 31st March 2020 to balance carry down 31,500 minus 11,500 20,000, total 31,500. First we are brought downing the balance on 1st April 2020 by balance brought down is 20,000, and first installment we are paying on 31st March 2021 to bank account 10,000 plus interest. We'll calculate interest on 31st March 2021 by interest account. What is the remaining balance? 20,000 into 5%. 20,000 into 5%, that is 1,000. Total is 21,000, and here add 1,000, 11,000. Balance is on 31st March 21 to balance carry down 10,000. Last year we will get nil. Total is 21,000. Right. Now first we are carry downing this balance on 1st April 2021 by balance brought down 10,000 on 31st March 22. We are making last payment, last interest by interest account. What is the remaining balance now? 10,000 into 5% is 500. Installment is on 31st March 22 to bank account installment amount 10,000, interest is 500, total 10,500. 10,500. 500. We have closed the Niharika account. Right. The whole amount is clear now. So now we know the interest for first year 2,000, second year 1,500, third year 1,000, and for fourth year last installment 500 is the interest. Now we'll calculate depreciation. Calculation of depreciation on diminishing balance method. Calculation of depreciation. What is the cost of the machinery? The washing machine. Cash price is 50,000, right? Cash price is 50,000 and the rate of depreciation is 10%. Now we'll calculate depreciation for first year. Less first year depreciation on 50,000, 10% is 5,000, right? 50,000 into 10%, 5,000. The balance 45,000. On balance, we are calculating depreciation for the second year because it is diminishing balance method. Less second year depreciation. Second year depreciation is on 45,000. 10% is 4,500. Now what is the balance of the machinery? 40,500. Right. Next one is, this is the balance less third year depreciation on 40,500. 10% is 4,050. Balance 40,500 minus 4,050 is 36,450. Right. Less fourth year depreciation is on 36,450 into 10% is 3,645. And the balance is 32,805. Now we calculated depreciation and the interest also. Now let us pass the ledger entries in the washing machine account. Now washing machine we purchased by paying 10,000 rupees down payment, right? So when we made this washing machine account debtor to bank account, in washing machine account debit side we are recording 10,000 rupees and this amount we received through bank to bank account on 1/4/2018. And for washing machine we are charging depreciation. So depreciation account debtor to washing machine account. Washing machine account we credited, right? So credit side under washing machine account, what is the depreciation for first year? 5,000. That 5,000 here we are recording by depreciation account. This we are charging at the year end, right? On 31st March 2019. Right? So we paid down payment and depreciation amount. And for washing machine, we paid an installment amount. Here under washing machine account, we are not showing any interest. Whatever we have charged, because for the machine, interest is the extra payment which we have given to our supplier for availing that credit facility. Right. So that's why here we are recording the first installment amount, that is on 31st March 2019 to Niharika Enterprises. Niharika Enterprises 10,000. Washing machine account debtor to Niharika, because this is a credit purchase. Niharika Enterprises. Washing machine debit side 10,000 we paid to Niharika Enterprises account. 10,000. Now what is the balancing figure? On 31st March 2019, by balance carry down. The total is 20,000. Here 5,000, so balancing figure is 15,000. 20,000. First we are brought downing the balance on 1st April 2019 to balance brought down 15,000, and second installment on 31st March 2020 to Niharika Enterprises, just 10,000, and depreciation, second year depreciation on 31st March 2020 by depreciation account. What is the amount of depreciation? 4,500. 4,500. Now what is the balancing figure? It is 25,000. 25,000 minus 4,500 on 31st March 2020 by balance carry down 20,500. Total 25,000. Right. Then next is we are brought downing the balance first on 1/4/2020 to balance brought down 20,500 installment on 31st March 2021 to Niharika Enterprises account 10,000. Depreciation on 31st March 2021. Depreciation is by depreciation account. What is the fourth year depreciation? Third year, set 4,050. 4,050. The balance is total 30,500, and here balance is on 31st March 2021 by balance carry down 30,500 minus 4,050, 26,450. Right. Total is 30,500. Will brought down on 1st April 2021. So to balance brought down 26,450 on 31st March 2022 to Niharika Enterprises account 10,000 on 31st March 22 by depreciation account. Depreciation is 3,645. That is 3,645. Right. This is the depreciation, and the closing balance is 26,450 plus 10,000 is 36,450. Here we are closing on 31st March 2022 by balance carry down carry down is 32,805. 36,450 minus 3,645 is 32,805. 36,450, and we are just downing the balance. On 1st April 2022, to balance brought down 32,805. Here you can see your, after calculating all the depreciation, all the 4 years, the balance, and whatever the balancing figure here you have got, both are same. It is tallying, matching. Okay, like this you can cross check your account. Now let us prepare the ledger account of Niharika Enterprise. Initially we have prepared memorandum Niharika Enterprises account to ascertain the or calculate the interest. Now we are preparing only the Niharika Enterprise account. There we are recording only the installment with interest amount whatever we have paid for the every year. Now the first year transaction is on 31st March 2019 to bank account. See how you are making payment. Niharika Enterprises account debtor to bank account is the journal entry. Now Niharika Enterprises account debit side, you are recording amount of 10,000 is your installment plus 2,000 is interest. Total 12,000 to bank account through bank received. Amount you are recording whatever there in the concerned account, and the transaction entry you are recording the opposite one. Okay, and here the same entry for the purchase of the washing machine we have paid. So the entry is washing Niharika Enterprises account debtor to, this is the receipt entry we have passed. Now the due entry we are recording a credit side. Now first entry what we will record for due, it is concerned asset washing machine account debtor to Niharika Enterprises account. Now Niharika Enterprises account we are crediting for 10,000. Only 10,000 we are recording because this is the installment amount we are paying for the washing machine, and this amount she is receiving for selling the washing machine by washing machine account. Washing machine account. And Niharika received the interest also, right? So this entry is in the books of the Manasa. Manasa is a purchaser. So for Manasa, interest is an expense. The entry for the interest paid is interest account debtor to Niharika Enterprises account. To Niharika only we paid the interest. Okay. Interest amount is 2,000. Niharika Enterprise account credit side 2,000. This amount received by interest 12,000. 12,000. Okay. This is the first installment. Now we are passing second installment. Second installment is there is no brought down or carried on here. On 31st March 2020, first will pass credit side entry, 31st due entry. 31st March 2020 by washing machine account. By washing machine we are crediting because the entry for the due is washing machine account debtor to Niharika Enterprises account crediting. So credit side amount is 10,000 and this 10,000 for the washing machine. Okay. The entry you are recording whatever there in the opposite and amount whatever there in the concerned account column. And with this we are receiving the interest also. Interest account for the second year interest is 1,500. Right. Already we have calculated the interest, that is 1,500. 11,500. Here through bank, we are making payment of this 11,500 to Niharika. Niharika Enterprises account debtor amount is 11,500 through bank to bank account. 10,000 plus 1,500. 11,500. Right. Next year on 31st March 2021, 31st March 2021, buy washing machine account, buy washing machine account 10,000 interest by interest account 1,000, right, to bank account 11,000. Last year on 31st March 2022, because it's a 4 installments, 31st March 2022, by washing machine account 10,000, by interest account 500, to bank account 10,500. 10,500. Now let us prepare depreciation account and the interest account. Interest account. So what is the entry for payment of interest? Interest account debtor to Niharika Enterprises account. So interest account debtor, the first year interest is 2,000 that we paid on 31st March 2019, right? To whom we paid? To Niharika Enterprise. Niharika Enterprises account. After payment we created, so we have transferred later it to profit and loss account by crediting the interest account. So while transferring entry is profit and loss account data to interest account. Interest account credit side amount is 2,000. This we have transferred to profit and loss account by profit and loss account. That's it. See, very easy. Don't buy it. Always, whenever you are solving any question or any problem, don't never by heart. Try to understand. Be clear with the concepts. 2,000. Then second year on 31st March 2020. Once you write, just you are copying same entry. There is no change. Niharika Enterprises only we are paying. Right. Niharika Enterprises account 1,500. Only amount changes. 31st March 20 by profit and loss. Every month or every year we are transferring it to profit and loss account. 1,500. 1,500. 31st March 21 to Niharika Enterprises account is 1,000. 31st March 21 transferring to profit and loss account. Loss account. While watching the video also solve the question and take out your books or question paper, solve more questions. When you were practicing, that makes you perfect. And the last year is on 31st March 22 to Niharika Enterprises 500. 500 31st March 22 by profit and loss account 500. Close the account. Right. Now, depreciation account. Depreciation is a non-cash expense and it is a reduction in the value of an asset. On washing machine, we have charged the depreciation. What is the entry for depreciation? Depreciation account debtor to on asset, that is washing machine account. So depreciation account debtor, the first year depreciation is 5,000. We charged on 31st March 2019 washing machine, right, to washing machine account. Machine account. And same amount we are transferring to profit and loss account by debiting the profit and loss account, right? 31st March 2019 transfer entry is profit and loss account data to depreciation account. Credit side amount is 5,000 and transferred to profit and loss account by profit and loss account. Second year on 31st March 2020 to washing machine account 4,500. We are transferring this to profit and loss account by profit and loss account 4,500. Then third year on 31st March 2021 to washing machine account you close 4,050 by profit and loss account 4,050. Again on 31st March 22 to washing machine account 3,645 last year depreciation by profit and loss account 3,645. Done. We have completed all the ledger accounts. So first what we have done, we have prepared memorandum of Niharika Enterprises account to ascertain or calculate the interest, then calculated depreciation, and washing machine account we prepared Niharika Enterprises account, that is vendor account, interest account and the depreciation. Practice makes you perfect. So practice and practice while watching this video also. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. Press bell icon to receive updates.